Welcome friends to this video. Today we show you how to check in on China Eastern. So guys, go to Google and search for China Eastern check-in. Click the first result. After that friends, you see this page here. From here write your ticket number and then write your first name. After that write your middle name and then write your last name. From here write flight name, flight codes or something like flight number, and then for example this is my flight ticket number. This is my first name, for example guys. This is my first name, you can see here, and this is my last name. After that friends, write your check-in, write this code here, you can see here this code, and then write this code as I say and click check-in. So you should write your ticket number friends, and then click check-in. This is how you can do guys. It is easy steps. I hope this video helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and share this video for more content.